Hey kiddos, so as I said before in the video before, that E is our special letter this week. And so all of the words that we're going to be reading, both in our early readers as well as the words that we're going to practice, have E in the middle sound. So just a reminder, the E says eh, like eggs, okay? So here we go, we're going to practice our words. And remember that when we're reading, as I was reading with some of you last week, some of you did an excellent sound of sounding it out and stretching your sounds, but then you forgot to read it fast. Remember that our goal when we're reading is that we read just like we talk. So I wouldn't say, I am. I'd say, hi, Sam. So let's practice. Get. 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 Jet. 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 Bed. 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 Men. Men. Red. 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 Ten. Ten. Good. Now you try it. I'm going to point to the words. You read them. Good. If you read it like this, you're correct. Get. Jet. Bed. Men. Red. 10. Very good. And if we used these words to write a sentence, we might have something like this. We get a red bed. And then I'm going to read it fluently. We get a red bed. Very good. I'm going to give you just a second to read the words, the sentence down at the bottom. Okay, now let's sound it out and read it together. Ten. 10. Men. Jet. 10 men see a jet. Please practice writing words that have an E as the middle sounds when you are doing your writing this week. And our books this week, My Pet Dog and Ben and Jen, they use lots of words that have E as the middle sound. And they also have our 2 new sight words, she and all. So be sure to practice those sounds and these 2 words in your book this week. Have a great week, class.